In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get gas at Sam's Club with the app. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the Sam's Club app on your phone. You can install it from your device's app store, and once it's installed, sign into your Sam's Club account. This is important because the fuel feature is tied to your membership and your account information, so make sure you're logged in before you head to the pump. Next, add a payment method inside the app. Before going to the gas station, it's a good idea to save a valid credit or debit card, so everything is ready in advance. Doing this ahead of time makes the process much smoother, since you won't have to stop and enter payment details while you're standing at the pump. Once that's set up, drive to a Sam's Club fuel station and park at any available pump. Before you begin, make sure your phone has an internet connection, because the app needs to communicate with the fuel system in real time. If your connection is weak, give it a moment before moving on. Now open the Sam's Club app and look for the fuel option, or scan and go fuel, depending on how it's shown in your version of the app. In recent app updates, the dedicated fuel option is the one you should use rather than the regular scan and go shopping feature. This is the section designed specifically for activating the pump through your phone. When prompted, allow camera access if the app asks for permission. Then scan the QR code displayed on the fuel pump screen. Make sure your camera is lined up clearly with the code so the app can read it without trouble. If it doesn't scan right away, just steady your phone and try again. After the pump is recognized, select your saved payment method. In some cases, the app may ask you to enter your card's security code for verification. Once that's done, tap Confirm. The app will then authorize the payment and activate the pump for you. With the pump activated, lift the nozzle, choose your fuel grade if needed, and start pumping gas as you normally would. The mobile checkout part is complete, so from here the fueling process is the same as at any regular gas station. When you're finished, return the nozzle to the pump. The app will provide a digital receipt, and you can also access that receipt later through your account if you need it for tracking expenses or personal records. And that's how to get gas at Sam's Club with the app.